Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the simplest power facts. Check the case LED and use a known good cable and port to rule out a bad charger. Once done, clean the AirPods and the case contacts. Dirt blocks charging. Make sure each bud sits flush in its recess. A misaligned pin prevents power flow. If the LED never lights, try a different cable and wall adapter. This separates accessory faults from the AirPods themselves. You next perform a reset to clear software hiccups. Hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white. That forces a factory reset. Then place the case near your iPhone with Bluetooth on and Wi-Fi active so any pending firmware installs apply automatically. Make sure to forget the AirPods in Bluetooth and repair. This rebuilds the connection profile and eliminates corrupted pairing records. That you finish with a full charge cycle. Allow the case and AirPods to fully drain, then charge uninterrupted for about 2 hours to recover deeply discharged batteries. After charging, test audio, inspect left/right detection, and verify Bluetooth connection. If nothing changes, try one more reset and test with another phone to rule out host issues. Troubleshooting tip: if neither LED nor charging works after all steps, the problem is likely hardware. Seek an Apple diagnostic or authorized repair to check the battery or charging contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.